The potential of ChatGPT is often missed because people treat it like a search engine instead of using it to make money. Why am I saying this? Most people are out there asking it to write love messages, birthday wishes, or social media post captions, while some smart people are using it to build actual income streams that pay them real money every single week. You don't need to be a tech genius or have a degree in computer science to make this work because the software itself has handled the most difficult part of it. So if you have been looking for a way to break into the digital space but felt so confused or not so sure of the technical skills required, this is the moment everything changes for you. In this video, I'm going to explain how you can turn this AI tool into a money-making machine using 3 realistic methods that actually work in today's market. And please make sure you watch this video till the end because the third method is the most simplest smart way of making money with ChatGPT. So let's get into it. One of the most effective ways to start earning is by offering high quality content writing service to businesses. There are several businesses that are struggling to keep up with the internet's demand for information. Every single day, millions of blog posts, social media updates, and website articles are needed, but business owners are usually too busy running their companies to sit down and write these articles. You can step in as a professional content creator using ChatGPT to draft the foundation of these articles. The secret here isn't just copying and pasting what the AI gives you because that often sounds robotic and lacks personality. Instead, you use the AI to research the topic, create a perfect outline, and generate the first draft. Once you have that draft, you spend a few minutes to add your own English or personal touches to make it stand out. This allows you to produce a 3,000 word count article in an hour. Writing articles is a task that used to take human writers an entire day, but by using AI, you are speeding up your workflow. You can even take on 5 or 10 clients at once instead of just one. You can find these clients on platforms like Upwork or even by reaching out to local businesses that have blog that hasn't been updated in months. When you show them that you can provide consistent, high quality information that helps their website show on Google, they will be more happy to pay you for your service. Another very realistic and growing opportunity is in the world of digital product creation and self-publishing. Many people have specialized knowledge or a passion for a specific topic like poultry farming, cooking, or even basic car maintenance, but they don't know how to organize that knowledge into a book. So you can use ChatGPT to help you structure an entire ebook from scratch. You start by asking the AI to help you identify a problem that people are willing to pay to solve. For instance, if you know a lot about how to start a small provision store, you can ask ChatGPT to help you create a chapter by chapter outline for a beginner's guide to starting a retail business. The AI can help you write the educational content for each chapter, and it will even explain complex terms in simple language that anyone can understand. Once the book is finished, you can design a simple cover using the same AI and sell it on platforms like Amazon Kindle or directly to your audience on social media using payment links. You don't even need a large follower base for this. You can make use of even your WhatsApp status to promote your product. This is a form of passive income, meaning you do the work once and the book or product continues to sell while you are sleeping or focusing on another thing entirely. The beauty of this method is that it builds your authority as an expert in your niche, which often leads to even more opportunities like consulting or speaking engagements. So the third smart way to use ChatGPT to make money is by providing specialized SEO and digital marketing service to local brands. SEO means search engine optimization, and it sounds like a big scary word, but it really just means helping a business show up at the top of the page when someone searches for them on the internet or when someone searches for their services on the internet. Many local shops like furniture makers or even private schools have no idea how to use keywords to attract customers. So this is where you step in. You can use ChatGPT to perform keyword research and write meta description for their businesses. You simply ask the AI to identify the most common questions people ask about a specific service and then tell it to write short, helpful answers that the business can post on their website or Google Business profile. Because you are using the AI to handle the technical writing and data analysis, you can offer these services at a very competitive price while still making a great profit for your time. This is very powerful because it is a recurring service. Businesses need to update their content regularly to stay at the top of the search results, which means they will pay you monthly fee to keep their digital presence healthy. Making money with AI is not just about finding a magic button that prints cash, but about using a powerful tool to solve real life problems for people who are willing to pay for a solution. Whether you are writing articles, creating digital guides, or helping a local brand get noticed online, the goal is always to provide value. ChatGPT is the engine that makes the process faster and easier, but your creativity and your ability to connect with clients are what will truly drive your success. If you take your time to master these methods and stay consistent, you will find that the digital economy has more than enough room for you to grow. If you found this video helpful and you want to learn more about practical ways to build your business and improve your digital skills, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so as to be notified when next I drop new videos. See you all next time.